There are 4 GPD hose discharge line replacement options for 2011 to 2019 Ford Explorer 3.5L engine models depending on whether the vehicle is equipped with or without a turbo engine. 4812-855, 4813-485, 4813-364, and 4813-365 are non-interchangeable. GPD 4812-855 is a hose discharge line without turbo for 2011 to 2015 models. GPD 4813-485 is a hose discharge line with turbo for 2013 to 2019 models. GPD 4813-364 is a hose discharge line without turbo for 2016 to 2019 models. GPD 4813-365 is a hose discharge line without turbo for 2016 to 2019 models. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.